Hi everybody, it's Kate and welcome to Kate's Key to Chemistry. Today I'm going to be showing you the formulation process for a cold process emulsion with the Mackspec polymers that requires no homogenization and no heat. I'm going to be using Mackspec ST45, which is a medium viscosity liquid blend of a polymer, emollient, and an emulsifier. Today my formulation is going to be super simple. I'm using DI water, an emollient, or polymer, and then just a preservative. I'm using a rounded pedal blade for stirring, and then I'm using about 300 RPM to achieve a vortex, which is going to be really important for dispersing the polymer. And then I'm just going to slowly add it in, and you can kind of see it immediately start to dissolve and start to swell. The great thing about these polymers is that they can be both used on their own with no oil phase, as well as adding an oil phase to make an emulsion. As you can see, we're starting to get a little thicker, and then I'm kind of helping stir in the sides with a spatula. I do turn up the RPM a little to about 400, 450, just as it gets thicker. And then here is the final with no oil, but I'm gonna go ahead and add the 10% of the capric caprylic triglycerides. As you can see, this also incorporates very easily, and then as the oil emulsifies in, it goes from hazy to more of an opaque white. This whole process took about 5 minutes of mixing time from adding the polymer to all the way when the oil was added, so it's super quick and really easy to disperse and emulsify. So here is our final emulsion, and a reminder, this is no homogenization needed, even for a super stable emulsion. It is super lightweight, but also still super moisturizing. It's saving time and energy, and overall, it just feels really great.